Guys, itong sasabihin ko, for sure, hindi nyo ba ito alam as in? Kasi ngayon ko palang sasabihin. Now, here's a secret insane travel hack, lalo na sa mga may plano for the upcoming 2 long weekends. Alam niyo yan, minomonitor natin yan, matagal na. So don't worry, I got you covered. Finally guys, we have a new Klook Creator shop where you can find a lot of Klook discounts. All you need to do is type in Insane sa Klook app, spelled as INSEIN, and then it will redirect you to my Insane World Klook Creator shop. Ito lahat ng mga recommendations ko for hotels in Manila and any other places that I've visited worldwide. But here's the good part. We have a new exclusive 10% off hotel promo code that you can only redeem and use sa Klook Creator shop ko. And you can save as much as 1,000 pesos on your next hotel staycations for a minimum of 5,000 worth of staycation. Ayos, diba? So wag nyo aksayin yung opportunity. 2 long weekends ba naman yan eh. Start planning. It can be for yourself. Ayan, pwede tayong mag-chill sa comfy bed, pwede tayong mag-chill sa bathtub, natin i-enjoy ang pagkain sa mga hotel, lalo na't buffet ito. Pwede din naman natin isama ang ating mga pets sa pet-friendly hotels, ang family, and of course, ang ating mga kabarkada. Marami kang pwede magawa sa hotel, no? Pwede kang mag-gym, pwede kang play with the kids, and of course, swimming pool. Please, tingin ko, deserve natin itong long weekends. And don't forget to visit my creator shop because you deserve your world of joy.